ICAI, very important update for CA students. ICAI has issued opt-out option for CA November 2020 exams, and it has also released some important points for those students who are opting out. And don't miss this. Don't miss to watch these important points for those who are opting out, and watch the video till end to get clarified. To opt out, you have to log in. See here, you can see here apply now. If you press on that, you will see some terms and conditions to opt out. ICAI has released some points regarding this. This window is only for opting out for November 2020 exams. Following details submitted by the student in their application will appear on the screen, that is their name, their control number and their registration number, that is SRO number. Candidates will have to click on the opt out from November 2020 if they wish. The candidates, if they decide to opt out from November 2020 exams, then the exam will be scheduled in May 2021 if they fill up form for May 2021. The valid exemptions, if they pay fee for November 2020, that one will be carried to May 2021 only. Only one application for a registration number will be accepted. You cannot give 2 or 3. Only one is valid. Please apply carefully. Once if you opt out, you can't make it reverse. So before opting out, you have to take seriously. The request should be made by the student only, not by any their relatives or any others. It should be accepted by the student itself. So for that, in case if you decided to opt out from November 2020 exams, and if you want to appear for May 2021, then you have to, in the prescribed form, I will give you a link. In that, you have to upload your image after filling up the blank areas, and duly signing by the candidate is mandatory. In case you cannot take a printout, you can write the exact words in the handwriting and self-attest and scan and upload. Upon submission of request, the candidates will get successful submission confirmation on the screen. So these are the important conditions, terms and condition given by ICAI. So actually ICAI said that it will give opt-out option on November 7th, but it has given now itself because the case is going on Supreme Court. So maybe for that purpose it has given earlier only opt-out option. And on November 1st, it earlier announced that it will give admit cards. Let's see what will happen. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel.